Good morning, students. Now this is our English class. In English class, last day what we have learned? We have done in, on, under, at. This is in. Okay. On. This is on. Understand? Next, under. This is under. Here what it is written, look. Then you have to look. Look at the boy. This is at. Okay? Done? Understand what we have done? So, again I am saying, this is in. This is on. This is under. This is at. Pointing exact thing. This, look at the board. Look at me. Okay? Understand? Now today we are going to do a new topic. What it is? And. Okay? What is the spelling of and? And spelling A-N-D. We are going to know about A-N-D and. Okay? And when we use? And we use when there is two words to join together. For connecting or joining them, we use in between and. Okay? See here. Mango. Okay? We can say mango. And here apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Mango, apple. So, saying it together, what we will say? Mango and apple. Okay, A-N-D and apple. This is two what? For pairing, for me, we use to join two words. We use and. Mango and apple. Okay? If I say a mango and apple. A mango and an apple. What it is? A mango and apple. So now it becomes group of words. So for joining two words or group of words, we use A-N-D and. Okay? Three. Wait. Okay? A tree and this one a flower. So how we can say? We can say a tree and a flower. Okay? A tree and a flower. Understand? We use and when we want to join two words or group of words. Okay? Understand? We use and. Understand? Now come to the next. Now come to next. Okay. Now see here. Rani is sitting. Okay? Rani is doing what? Rani is sitting. Okay? Rani is eating. And Rani is eating also. Okay? Now want to join together. Rani is there. Sitting, eating means sitting also, then eating. So, for joining them, what I am going to write? Rani is sitting and eating. Okay? Here is and. So what you have understand? For joining two sentences, also we use and. For joining two sentences, we use and. So what where we use? First, two words, then group of words, then sentences. For joining word, group of words or sentences, we use and. Understand? Okay? So come to page number 21 of your Oxford book. This is your Oxford book, page number 21. Now see, there are two pictures. One this side, one this side. So where it is and is here. So how there are two sentences. This is a book and that is a pencil. Okay? Two sentences. This is a book. That is a pencil. For joining them together, what we are using? And. This is a book and that is a pencil. Then see the picture. This is a cycle and that is a car. They are using and. Then this is a man and that is a woman. This is an egg and that is a nest. This is a net and that is a fish. Understand? This you all have understand? For joining two words, cow here and goat is here. For saying, you have to say together. How you will say? Cow and goat. Understand? Two words. Then group of words. I can say a cow and Okay? Group of words and two sentences. We use and, and. Understand? I hope all have understand. After that, we are going to practice some questions. Okay? Like, suppose I have a pen. Then I can say I have a pencil. Or I can say I have a duster. I have a pen. I have a duster. For joining them, how I can say? I can say I have a pen and a duster. Understand how to use and? Now we are going to do in our classwork copy. So today's teaching over, students. Thank you.